The storm's high winds and massive waves pushed an ocean wave comparable to tropical storms and hurricanes ashore from Florida's west coast to southern New England. In many places, water levels rose at least 2 to 4 feet above normal, flooding low-lying roads. Charleston, SC, like Tampa, saw the fourth highest storm surge on record on Sunday, with water levels rising several feet above normal. Water levels also rose Monday morning in Sandy Hook, NJ, and at the Battery in New York City. It was nearly 4 feet above normal. Providence, RI also recorded a surge of approximately 1.2 meters at midday high tide. A storm system brought heavy rain to the East Coast on December 17. Charleston, SC, was hit especially hard, with some roads flooded. The storm also proved to be a prolific producer of rain, dumping totals of 2 to 4 inches from Florida Maine, with locally significant amounts. Rain accumulations in Charleston and Myrtle Beach, SC, reached double digits between and Georgetown, SC. It led to a serious flood emergency for surrounding areas. Doppler radar estimated that 12 to 16 inches fell, most of it within a 6-hour window. Water rescue efforts continued as residents moved to higher ground. The National Weather Service warned that the situation was catastrophic. Some of the storms that flooded the eastern Carolinas on Sunday were severe. One spawned a damaging tornado near Myrtle Beach. The tornado touched down in Horry County, SC, in the Socastee-Forestbrook area. 8 utility poles were broken and a shopping center was damaged near Highway 707 in Socastee. The National Weather Service office in Wilmington, NC, rated it an EF1 on a scale of 0 to 5 for the intensity of winds blowing up to 90 miles per hour. The rain had ended Monday morning in the southeast and mid-Atlantic, but flooding concerns were spreading in the northeast. Flash flood warnings extended from Scranton, PA, to near Syracuse, NY. There was another area of significant flooding in central New Hampshire and southern Maine. Widespread rain totaling 3 or 4 inches was reported, with more rain to come. The risk flash flooding and heavy precipitation for much of New Hampshire and western Maine is 3 out 4, the agency said in its morning forecast update. At the same time, winds were worsening along the New England coast. They were forecast to peak in early afternoon and remain stormy for at least the first part of night, decreasing from south to north. A high wind warning for gusts over 60 miles per hour is in effect for southeastern Massachusetts, Rhode Island, and southern Connecticut. While most of the region is under a wind warning, there are additional high wind warnings for coastal New Hampshire and coastal Maine. The storm proved to be unusually severe for this time of year, breaking low air pressure records for December in many places in the southeast. Storm starting Monday afternoon. By noon Monday, the center of the intensifying storm was in northern New York, just southwest of Burr.